Hey, welcome to Tutorial Assist. I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you a way to remove phone number from your Instagram profile. For this, you have to be logged in your Instagram profile through a web browser. Let's get into it. I have already opened my Instagram profile in a Chrome browser. After logging your Instagram profile in a Chrome browser or any other web browser, click at the bottom right corner to open your Instagram profile. Then click on Edit Profile. Then go to bottom right. Here you will see your phone number. Before deleting the phone number, I have to tell you one thing. If you want to delete your phone number from your Instagram profile, you must have to link an email ID to your Instagram profile. After linking an email ID to your Instagram profile, you can easily delete your phone number from Instagram profile. Just backspace all the number. Click submit. Here you can see my profile has been saved. I will show you once again if the number is showing or not. Click on edit profile. Here you can see phone number is not showing. If you learned something from this video, hit like, share and subscribe to Tutorial Assist. Thank you.